We are here today at the annual event of Bio.B Essentia. Biomanufacturing, the future starts in Belgium. And we are gathering here more than 200 participants, industry colleagues, academic colleagues and policymakers. And we're going to debate about how Belgium can position itself as the center of excellence in terms of factories of the future.
There is some kind of shift in Belgium. From innovation in products, in diagnostics, in vaccines, we also innovating in how we process the manufacturing. Then there are big challenges we are facing in this industry. We have to keep our leadership for the coming years. For the future, we need absolutely to have that industry also compatible with digitalization, automatization, robotization in companies.
What really makes us unique in Belgium is the fact that we invest drastically in R&D. So in 2020, we invested more than 5 billion in the R&D sector, compared to only 2 billion in 2010. So you see a massive investment in the R&D sector. We also have manufacturing capabilities, really well diverse over the entire country, with 226 biotech companies and more than 40,000 employees working in that sector. And also the infrastructure, the logistical infrastructure is incredible.
What we expect from our governments is that they set the right framework, the right innovation policy, the right fiscal policy. So there are a couple of elements that are important. Building the skills of the future and the talents of the future is key. Making sure that Belgium stays competitive internationally and that Belgium is positioned as the growth pole of talents, but also as a center of excellence in terms of biomanufacturing. And making sure that our local innovators get access to the funding so they can scale up their innovations.
It's a very important sector. It does contribute to a significant number of quality jobs in Belgium, and we have very good prospects for the industry in the coming years. Now, one of the big challenges is labor shortage, and how do we make sure that we have the right talents for the industry? And that's one of the key projects that we will support in the Recover Plan, to make sure that every industry has access to the right talent pool. So Bio.B has a critical role in playing the interface between the government and the industry, and to make sure that the government addresses the priorities of the industry to grow in the future.